Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is not the usual one where I'll come jumping and I'll start my fun video. This video is regarding, I thought it's very important to make because personally I am going through much downtime. It's not only because like a Sushant Singh suicidal case, it is because of some other thing. As like I can, to be frank, I am not much movie addicted or any TV serial kind of girl. Normally I won't see movies itself, but thing is we are right now we are in the situation where because of corona crisis or lockdown thing, already our mental health is not normal. In that period we received such kind of news where we are not able to cope up with the normal our mental health. We are just keep on thinking about what is depression, what kind of things it is, why he did suicide, and I would say it's not our business, but we are getting into it. It's just because of social media. I can take my own example. Like I can't stay away from phone at least minimum 5 minutes also I need my phone. So we are so addicted, and every time our hand will go to the social media only. Because of I feel like more than his death, we are getting impacted by the social media. Like everywhere his pics are there, his songs are going on, his movie names are there, then sad some statements are there, then moreover we can say his death pictures. This is like epic. Like what whoever is sharing this, I don't know which kind of nonsense guy is. Just death pictures which like he is lying on a bed with that mark on his neck. So it's really disturbing. So if you want to maintain your health, like mental health in this period, I would suggest like please stay away from phone. I starting 2 days I was literally getting into my nerves, that depression, like why he did so, what kind of pressure he'll be having. And I used to see all his videos and all, but finally I couldn't sleep because of this post and all. It's creating one kind of negative ring around us, which we can't come out of that. And this is the situation where we need to be very positive, but we are going into the negative phase. So to avoid that, I feel at least 2 to 3 days we can keep our phone away. That is the best thing we can do. No need to just listen any mental health advice, all those stuff. Keep our phone aside for a while, you'll be fine. And today, like personally, I have done that one from morning. Like I invested my time in my work completely. I didn't touch my phone frequently. So I can see today, like okay, I'm quite positive. Like yesterday, I was completely in depression mode, because unconsciously our mind start thinking about all those stuff, and our human mentality is made in that way where if something is little mysterious, we want to see that one, we want to think on that. To avoid that, anyways end gonna be like, okay, he left us, so nothing gonna change. I feel like world is bigger than what you think. Nothing gonna change, just usual life. Anyways, show must go on. And to keep yourself positive, like nothing bad should happen in your life. So keep yourself positive by keeping your phone aside. In fact, I stopped seeing corona news itself. Like if daily I am seeing like 3,000 4,000 peoples are coming out, and these many peoples are dying, they are not getting bed, and all those stuff. I am going in that phase. I am getting more scared. Like okay, since I am in home, my complete family is safe in home, still I am getting those negative vibes. Okay, in case if tomorrow something happen, I won't get a bed, otherwise my family face this situation, what will happen? So better thing is just for a while see news and all, otherwise there is no need to go into those social media and see all those stuff. I think that is the best advice I can give, to stay positive at least in this period. Once this period cross, then as even if I tell nobody gonna listen. So and I also can't stay away from phone. So okay, as like if you want really you can follow this thing. I followed it today, and I am feeling some positiveness. So that's all. And definitely like usual video will come this week, so stay tuned. Thank you.